Hey, what's up, guys? It's video lesson number 12, and on with the questions. Now, this one I'm gonna cover the most common questions that people always ask me. Okay, um, what is the stock market and how does it work? Number two, do I need any money? And if so, how much are we talking here? Right? Number three, is this risky? And number four, how can I get started? Okay. Let's go ahead and dive into question number one, which is what exactly is the stock market and how does it work? Okay. How does the stock market work? Now, a lot of people don't even have the common, like, I don't want to say common sense, it's not a lot of people common sense with stock market. It's just, think about it this way. Matter of fact, let me go on to the next slide. Let me explain this. Think about every single uh, stock market being a supermarket, a fruit market, a fucking Jules, a Hy-Vee, Mariano's or whatever. It's a grocery store, right? So the stock market is a grocery store. Inside of every grocery store, you have two things. You have products, which include the fruit, right, that they sell. Think of every single fruit and every single product as a different type of company. So everything, every different company, every different fruit. The supermarket has fruit, the stock market has companies, right? A share of a company in the stock market is like buying a piece of a fruit in a supermarket, okay? So if you bought two pieces of apples, which means you basically bought two fucking apples. Pieces meaning, if you're buying, if they have a bunch of them, and you said I took three pieces, it would mean you took three whole pieces, meaning three actual apples. In this case, two apples. From the stock market, I'm sorry, from the supermarket, you bought two apples. It would be the same thing as to say you bought two shares of, this is an example, MSDI from the stock market. You invested money into stocks. Okay, I don't know how much simpler you can make that. Um, Pretend the supermarket changes prices on everything they have inside of the store. Everything. It changes every minute, shit, even every second. It changes every even millisecond. Okay, for some items. Some items don't move in price that much, don't shit. But just for an example, once again, pretend the supermarket changes prices on everything. I put change, whatever, past that. Change prices on everything they sell in the store. Okay, every minute, every second. Okay, so if you come back for a refund on something, the item that you have in possession, the item that you bought, it may not be the same price that you bought it at. It could be a completely different value because it's at a different time of the day. So, as an example, let's say you buy an apple for $1 at 10 in the morning. Okay, you come back to return this apple and you find out that they're selling them for $2 now. Each apple is being sold for $2. And let's just say this is 12 o'clock, right? So you bought it at 10 in the morning for $1. At 12 o'clock, it's $2 an apple. So they give you $2 for it when you actually just paid $1 at 10. So if you would have bought 100 apples, they would give you back $200, right? If you would have bought 1,000 apples, you would have got back $2,000 and you would have only paid $1,000. Does that make any sense? Am I making any sense here? Like, I try to break it down as simple as possible. The prices can go up and down. It varies, okay? And you will get paid out whatever it is, whatever the price is of that item when you're selling it or returning it. So that is a guaranteed value. You are going to get paid whatever it's worth at that time. Now, obviously, in the stock market, there's no such thing as refunds. So, returning is not really a refund. It's more of a selling. You're selling back what you bought. Okay, so you're selling the apple back to the supermarket, and they're willing to give you whatever the apple is worth at that time. Does that make sense? Is anybody confused here? If you understand what I'm saying, I want you to comment. I get it now, because there was a lot of people asking me, what is the stock market? How does it work? If you understand by my explanation in this video, I want you to comment right now, I get it now, underneath. Okay, question number 2. Do I need money to start? If so, how much? Yes, you do need money to invest in the stock market. Yeah, it all depends on what you're trying to do and what you're trying to trade, as far as big positions, small positions, and obviously some stock traders offer you free services, and you're able to log in and trade from your phone. Other ones are also free, but they have different fees when it comes to trading, and some of them even require like a minimum of 2,500. I personally use E-Trades, and I think their requirement is 2,500. Interactive Broker is another one that is very popular, and I think if you're, don't quote me on this, but I think if you're under the age of 25, it's also 2,500 to start, and if you're over the age of 25, I think it's $10,000 minimum in order to use them as a broker and to open an account with them. And what's the difference between the ones that are obviously that you have to pay or have a minimum requirement of funding? If you were to compare it to the ones that are free, well, obviously, like anything in life, you get what you pay for. So that tells you something. All right, next question. Is this risky? Yes. Everything in life is risky. Okay. Driving to work is risky. Going to a concert and getting drunk and partying out is risky. All right. Drunk. I'm not even gonna go on. You know what? It's probably inappropriate. I was gonna say a few things that are risky that most of you probably do, and everything's risky. Okay. Then now the thing is, there's certain rules that I follow in order to make sure I minimize my risk. Okay, and my reward is always in my favor, and the reward is always greater than my risk. So, but yes, it is risky. Just to answer it, is this risky? Yes, it's fucking risky. How can I get started? Okay, now I know this is not the answer you're going to want to hear, but before you even think about getting started, before you even open up an account, before you do anything, the best thing, and I will suggest this for you, because let me tell you something. I have lost a lot of money in the stock market. Okay, I'm breaking. I'm still a few hundreds, thousands of dollars away from breaking even. Okay, I started about a year ago, and I started with a big account. And since I didn't know what I was doing, I lost a lot of money. Made some money, lost some money. Okay, got greedy because if you guys been watching since lesson 1, I have a gambling personality, somewhat. I don't go to the casino anymore. Fuck the casino, but I have this addictive personality. I mean, addicted to like a gamble, an adrenaline rush. So I was doing crazy ass positions where they were so big, and every single penny was like fucking $500, which is fucking crazy. Don't ever do it. So, just to explain, study before you go out there. Study before you attempt it. Okay, you need to know everything that I know in order for you to execute it the way I do. And I can't stress enough how much I encourage you guys to ask me questions every day. Every single question that pops into your head, dude, comment that shit. I will answer that question on the next video lesson. Okay, you comment on this video lesson with a question, I will answer it on the next one. What is this, video lesson number 12? Comment something right underneath it, I will answer video lesson 13. Okay, and that's probably coming out tomorrow, if not in a few hours. Like, you need to keep asking me questions that you need them answered. Okay, and learn from my mistakes and everything that I've done in the past that I've learned from. I'm going to teach it to you. Um, I can honestly say now I'm very confident that I know exactly how to do it. That's why I'm showing you how I'm trading with a small account, just to show you I can build it into a big account. Okay? And for those who are new and they're just viewing this, it is July 5th. I started trading to teach 1 week ago. Okay, you can check the YouTube from video lesson number 1. It's only been about a week. I started with a small account of $1,900, I should say it's $1,899. It is right now close to 3,000. It's actually a little over 3,000, but it's 10 o'clock at night, and we're talking about the stock went up after market, so I haven't closed my position yet. Once I do, I will be over 3,000 if everything goes as planned. So, and it's been a week, so roughly about I want to say 1,100 gain in about a week. Okay, small account. I'm gonna continue to upload all these videos as long as people continue to subscribe and like the videos. Okay, and this is as honest as I can get. Otherwise, I will stop focusing on teaching and I'll just go back to focusing on just trading. And the only reason I'm doing this is for those who are interested and really do want to learn how to make some money. This is absolutely free. I am not charging you shit. This is like as free as it gets, man. And they're fucking penny stocks. Like, dude, who doesn't have a few fucking pennies to invest? They're, like, I can't stress it enough. I wish I had me telling me what to do a year ago, if that makes any sense. Alright, so what I want you to do right now is like, share, and subscribe right now. I'm going to turn this account of 4 figures, so roughly about where I'm at 3,000 now, into 6 figures, a 6-figure account. You're going to watch it happen step by step. Like on a daily, I will be uploading my profits and my losses. You will watch this happen, okay? You don't want to miss this shit. I promise you. It's going to be pretty entertaining. So keep subscribed. Keep liking the videos. Comment any questions. Let me know what I can do to help you, to teach you, to make a few $100s a week. Okay? A few extra. You can do this from your cell phone, right? I personally like using my cell phone. I use my computer to look at the level 2s and the charts, but personally, I like to trade off the app. Okay? I could be anywhere trading off the app. So, once again, if no one knows who I am, my name is Hernandez. I'm teaching you guys the stock market. This is video lesson number 12. You guys have a great night. Any questions, make sure that you comment on the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Like this shit. And let me know if there is anything I can help with. Have a good night, guys.